Hello, this is Renee Robinson, and I'm about to teach you how to do a moles to grams stoichiometry problem from the modern chemistry book you see in the top left-hand corner, number 2A on page 287. The problem reads, one reaction that produces hydrogen gas can be represented by the following unbalanced chemical reaction. What mass of hydrochloric acid is consumed by the reaction if 2.5 moles of magnesium? First off, with every stoichiometry problem, you have to balance the chemical reaction or chemical equation. So in this one, I see that I have 2 chlorines and 2 hydrogens, and I only have 1 chlorine and 1 hydrogen on the reactant side. So I can easily put a 2 in front of hydrochloric acid to balance the equation. All right, now that the equation is balanced, the first thing we do is write out what is given to us. We have 2.5 moles of magnesium that is given to us in the equation, and we need to find our mass in grams of hydrochloric acid. All right, you're always going to start off with what's given to you, so we're always going to start off in the top left-hand corner of our train tracks with what's given to us, 2.5 moles of magnesium. Start off our train tracks. We need to cancel moles of magnesium, so we're going to put moles of magnesium on the bottom. This is that transition step, so we're going to put what we need to find on top, moles of what we're trying to find. We're trying to find hydrochloric acid, so moles of hydrochloric acid. And again, whenever we do this transition step, we always pull the number in front of moles from the balanced chemical equation. So in front of magnesium, there's a 1, and in front of hydrochloric acid, we have a 2. Now that we've canceled our moles of magnesium, we need to cancel moles of hydrochloric acid. So we're going to put moles of hydrogen chloride or hydrochloric acid on the bottom. Then we're going to put grams of hydrochloric acid on top, since that's what we're trying to find. Whenever we have this step, it's our molecular weight. And it's always going to be with 1 mole. And to find our molecular weight, we look on our periodic table. We have 1 hydrogen and 1 chlorine. Hydrogen is around 1.01 grams per mole. And chlorine is 35.453 grams per mole. When we add those together, we should get around 36.463 grams for every 1 mole of hydrogen chloride. So we're going to add that number up here, 36.463. And now that we've canceled our moles of hydrochloric acid, we have what we're trying to find here at the top, so we can stop our train tracks and calculate. Since these values are 1, we don't have to put those in our calculator. So in our calculator, we would simply put 2.5 times 2 times 36.463, and we should get 182.315 grams of hydrogen chloride or hydrochloric acid. But our problem gives us only 3 significant digits. So we will round this number to 3 significant digits and get 182 grams of hydrochloric acid. And that's your final answer.